Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka katsan tarik uluber, kaseng kasi higher secondary school jayau, kala play perda yak jing ko black eye sport, kabala pelong hapo madan jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong. Yak ni Lampung Sports jong ni school, la play perda da UMLA jong ka 17 North Shillong constituency uba adalba nangrum, ubara long kongsan hak jelang ubara kentiru yak lama jong ni school. Haswa ban sedang yak Jacob, la yo shwa yak jingkren pedang sobha, na ka principal jong ni school, ikong M nong siet. Ki jing le ka ki bala pelong hne kasngi, ki kentop yak march pass, ka drill, na ka school lower primary jayau, ka Jacob mare athong bat kiwi.
Us have hoist the school flag, a mark to declare the opening school sports, for which each and every one of us, parents of our beloved children, to witness their talent for which God has entrusted. To you, beloved students, children of the soil, children of our motherland, we are so much expected, especially in this day of challenging. It is an hour of a challenging and a competitive world that we live in.
From the greenhouse, we have the Commander Edmund Lindo Mautlang, the placard holder Bankitnam Walang, and the flag bearer Terry Sen Wankar. Following the greenhouse, we have the red house, Commander Kraukupar Priyam, the placard holder Kraukupar Mukti, and the flag bearer Kirshan Lang Marwari. Now from the blue house, boys marching contingent, we have the commander Marcelino Rentatiang and the flag bearer Peterson Mukti. Approaching the saluting base, we have the yellow house led by the commander Santina Sai Ringsai, placard holder Eric Nelson Chernat, and the flag bearer Northing Star Narnam. Now we have the girls marching contingent led by the greenhouse commander Seveline Priem, placard holder Ibada Shisha Kharbel Sao, and the flag bearer Chinya L. Komsti. Placard holder Ibalapin Kmetlang S. Danche, and the flag bearer Angeline Lincoln. Mati Pedro Jammu, and the flag bearer Prosperoline Panay.
Ini nih sekolah kamu berpindah. Kamu nak asli sekolah dengan sedang macam mana?
Yellow House with a distance of 8.4 meters. And the gold goes to Willie Anderson Karkram of the Blue House with a distance of 8.5 meters. A big round of applause for the winners. The silver goes to Daimapi Wansai from the Yellow House with a distance of 5.3 meters. And the gold goes to Dialins Imyong from the Red House with a distance of 5.5 meters. Goes to Donald's Aim of the Blue House with a distance of 6.3 meters. And the gold goes to Lemuel Binder of the Red House with a distance of 8.4 meters. And the gold goes to Bahun Shisha Lathma from the greenhouse with a distance of 5.6 meters. Now the next event is the shot put above 16 years. We have, from the boys, we have only one winner who won the gold, and that is none other than Mewan Umban of the Blue House with a distance of 8.6 meters. Please clap for the winners. Yes, cheer for your own house. Now the second prize of the silver goes to Dilan Linkhoy of the Blue House with a distance of 14.8 meters. Group of the Yellow House with the distance of 15.4 meters. Meters. And the gold goes to Missy Grace Pinwood of the Yellow House with a distance of 11.36 meters. Thank you. The silver goes to Peterson Mukti from the Blue House with a distance of 24.61 meters. And the gold goes to Pinkre Nepal Linkring of the Yellow House with a distance of 33.52 meters. The silver goes to Pdangakor Kongsit from the Yellow House with a distance of 9.94 meters. And the gold goes to Dapi Bandri Shabang of the Blue House with a distance of 11.40 meters. .87 meters. The second place goes to Krao Kupar Kriam of the Red House with a distance of 22.29 meters. And the gold goes to Lawandyang Wanyang of the Green House with a distance of 24.48 meters. Goes to Julia Kongsti, again of the Green House, with a distance of 11.50 meters. A big round of applause for the winners. With a distance of 10.96 meters. And the goal goes to Banting Nome of the White House with a distance of 12.15 meters. A big round of applause. The silver goes to Kraukupar Kriam of the Red House with a distance of 12.45 meters. And the goal goes to Justfully Rintathyam of the